Eating for optimal health. Hello, food enthusiasts. Today on Eating for Optimal Health, we're delving into the world of Greek yogurt, a creamy and nutritious delight that offers a plethora of health benefits. Join me as we explore the marvels of Greek yogurt and discover some delicious ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Greek yogurt is known for its high protein content. It's packed with protein that can help you feel fuller for longer, making it an excellent option for those looking to manage their weight. The protein in Greek yogurt also aids in muscle repair and growth, making it a fantastic post-workout snack. But that's not all Greek yogurt has to offer. It's a natural probiotic, which means it's rich in gut-friendly bacteria that can promote a healthy digestive system. A well-functioning gut is essential for overall health, supporting not only digestion but also the immune system and even mental well-being. Calcium is crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth, and Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of this mineral. Just a single serving provides a significant portion of your daily calcium needs, making it a great addition to your diet, especially if you're not a big fan of dairy. Greek yogurt is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it on its own, topped with fresh fruit and nuts for a quick breakfast or snack. It's also a fantastic ingredient in smoothies, parfaits, and even savory dishes like dips and dressings. One unique benefit of Greek yogurt is its probiotic content. Probiotics are live bacteria that provide a range of health benefits, particularly for the gut. These friendly bacteria can help maintain a balanced gut flora, improve digestion, and even enhance immune function. For those who are lactose intolerant, Greek yogurt can be a more easily digestible dairy option. The straining process removes much of the lactose, leaving behind a creamier and tangier yogurt that's easier on the stomach. When choosing Greek yogurt, opt for the plain, unsweetened variety to avoid added sugars. You can always add natural sweetness with fresh fruits or a drizzle of honey. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your diet is simple and delicious. From breakfast bowls to savory dishes and even dessert, this nutritional powerhouse can elevate your meals while supporting your health goals. In conclusion, Greek yogurt is not just a tasty treat, it's a nutritional marvel. With its high protein content, gut-friendly probiotics, and bone-boosting calcium, Greek yogurt is a must-have in your kitchen. So go ahead, embrace the creamy goodness and enjoy a healthier you.